Good morning, guys. This is Angel with A&E SantiRios. So today, I'm in a rush today. Basically, that's my little workshop there. But right now, I'm gonna do it out here because I'm late. So I don't know how I'm gonna be able to do this real quick, but I'm gonna show you guys basically the gig that I have. This is the gig I have, and I have a link in Amazon of the blade sharpener. This is how I sharpen my blades, right? So apparently you have to sharpen your blades if you're a commercial user every 8 hours, if you're a home user every 25 hours, right? So basically, with that being said, I love mulch blades. Those are my favorite blades. I don't know what type of blades you use wherever you at, but here in the South, we use mulch blades. Why? Because it's easier for the clippings to be blown away. And not only that, most of the time the customers, when they have a whole bunch of leaves, you could just mulch them for them, you know? That's a different estimate though. But anyway, long story short, I'm gonna try to put this camera on a way where it doesn't need to be moved around. So give me a second. So basically what you need right here, let me squat down a little bit so you guys can see me. Right now, what you need is your mulch blades, right? All the blades that you're gonna be sharpening, right? You need an angle grinder, right? For me, I use my I use a 60 grit, right? You could use a 40 grit, right? I use a 60 grit. To me, is just for my hand heaviness. It's good for that. So let's open this up. My blades ain't that bad, but it's just I don't have mulch blades today on it, you know, because I didn't get a chance to go get these. These cost $80, these blades. So yeah, fortunately. So anyway, let me put this the right way so you guys can see. Basically, you'll be able to see there what I'm doing, more or less, right? So basically, this is the blade, right? If you see, it don't come sharpened. You see what I mean? It doesn't come sharpened, right? So I drill this here. By the way, I take this out all the time. Right after I finish, I take it out. So basically, we're gonna put the blade right here. Most of the blades is 30 degrees, right? But again, guys, you have to check which one are yours. You have to check which one are yours, right? So I have mine on 30 degrees right there, if you see it. I have it on 30 degrees, right? The gig is, right? You buy the angle grinder gig, right? This gig comes with all these parts and all these things that fits your grinder, right? So basically you put your grinder right there and it's always gonna sit at that whatever degree you have it, you understand? So basically right here, I don't go too much and I don't harm the blade. Try not to harm the blade. If you go too much on one spot, it's gonna turn that black and blue. That means you harm the blade. That means the blade may be no good unless you know how to fix it. Then we'll have to wait till it cools down and go over again to see if you damaged the whole blade. If it went right through the teeth, like, you damaged the blade, you know? You also gotta remember, this is what cuts, basically. Not everything else. The blade doesn't cut. Really what cuts is this part. So you have to make sure that part is sharp. Make sure that everything is That's great right there, right? So now, make sure all the paint from the other side is gone, just so you can see if it's sharp enough right there, right? So basically that's good right there, right? So you see, this is just paint from the other side. That paint is gonna be gone as soon as you start mowing. Go one more time. There we go. That sharpens right there. That's sharp. I know that's sharp. Why? Because the paint from the other side started scabbing, you know? That's sharp right there. So now, what we do to balance it, right? Hey, I lost my balancer, right? So what I do, guys, is, right? Grab, put it right in the middle, right? Just make sure you put it right in the middle. And you see right there, that's balance enough to me. Now you go to the other side, put it right in the middle. And you see that? To me, that's balance enough, right? So, do the same thing now on the other side, guys. Same thing now on the other side. Again, I'm gonna drop a link on the description for this stuff, man. This is good stuff right here, man. And it doesn't break your bank. This piece is a copy, is a replica from another piece that costs hundreds of dollars. And these guys did the exact copy of it for cheaper, you know? I think it's like $40, and then with the balancer, it's like cheap. It's cheap. Just make sure you guys get this, man. This is what you guys need. It's other options now, don't get me wrong. It's more expensive options like $200, $400, even $1,000, $2,000 is out there. That's 6 times right there. Woo! Sharper than a pencil, yep. All right, now we're gonna go to the other side. I use most of my angle grinder to sharpen up my most of my blades, like really my lawnmower blades. I use it to sharpen up my my hedger blades, you know, my machete. Really, I use it for everything. Yeah, that's why, I don't know. I wasn't paying that much pressure, so that's why I gotta go a little. And that's cool right there. Perfect. Okay, guys, now we're gonna check now. I just gotta make sure, I gotta touch the camera because it turns off on me, so I just gotta make sure that it's on the right spot. So now, we're gonna try to make sure that it's level again. These. That's perfect to me, guys. Oh yeah, that's perfect to me. There you guys have it, man. I hope you liked the video, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, man. There's a quick video. It didn't even take 10 minutes, all right? Didn't even take 10 minutes, guys. You understand? So, man, don't forget to like and subscribe, man. And I hope you guys enjoy the video, man. I'm gonna leave a link in the description. This right here is pretty old, the one I got. I have it already for a year, and it's been, it haven't left me stranded yet. You know what I'm saying? And again, what I do, I take it to the job site, and basically what I do is that's basically what I do right there. You know, I take some wooden screws with me. And bada bing, bada boom. You know what I'm saying? There you have it, guys. Man, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. I know I said this before, but most of the guys that's been watching these videos, they haven't been subscribing. I don't know how they find me again, but I appreciate you guys letting me come to your home. Really. You know, I'm sorry for the mess, but basically I gotta go back to work. All right. See you guys, man. Love, peace. By the way, on the lawnmower right here to change my blades, but I have a video there on that is come up next. That is yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. This is the video that's coming up next. This is how to change your lawnmower blades. All right, so God bless you guys, man.